All right, question 1b part 2. It says Tara reaches her 18th birthday. Calculate how much extra the investment will be worth if she leaves the money invested for another 3 years beyond her 18th birthday. So really what we're going to do is find out what she got for 18th birthday, and then find out what it would be 3 years later, and then subtract the amount where her 18th birthday occurred from the amount where the value would be 3 years further on. So let's do that now. Let's take a look. So just going to have a quick look here what I had. So we're going to just we're actually going to use some of this here. Please be in focus. Crikey, the focus on this thing is driving me mad. Okay, so okay, that's what we're wanting. We're wanting that thing there. So we're going to type in that or write in that, and we're going to use t here is going to be 18, and then t is going to be another 3 years as well. So what we'll do is this. We're going to go. So the way I would do that is this. I would write out. In fact, I'll write it up above so we've got a bit more space, but it shouldn't be too bad. So we've got the original thing, which is a is equal to, and we've got 2,000 times 1.035 the power of t. Now we're going to change t in this case to 21, which is 3 years beyond her 18th. So it's going to be, so in other words, we've got 2,000 times 1.035 to the power of 21. And we're going to subtract from that 2,000 times 1.035 to the power of 18. And that should give us our answer, yeah? That should be the extra investment. I'll put extra investment in I'll put extra in. Ooh, pencil's broke. INV dot. That's the extra investment. So let's just go ahead and do that. We can do the whole thing pretty much actually in just one go, straight into the calculator. Here it is. Let's see how that plays out. So I'm going to go 2,000. 2,000 times 1.035 to the power of 21. We really don't need brackets at all for this. In fact, I'm just going to do the next bit. 2,000 times 1.035 to the power of 18. No brackets really required, I don't think. And we got $403.88. So for an extra 3 years, she only gets an extra $400. So not really worth it if you were really wanting a lot of money. But in terms of what it is, it's not so bad. So let's go ahead and go that equals, and we're just going to just write the answer straight in. I don't think we need to show any more working really. And you could actually, I think for the marker, you could work this bit out and work this bit out, then subtract the two and see what the difference was. But I just did it all on the calculator, and I think that's perfectly okay as long as you show what you've done here and how you've got it. 4.0388. Now it has to be 2dp because it's dollars and cents, and it has to have a dollar sign. So leave space for that at the start there. And we're going to write $403.88. Extra. And that just gives a little bit of context to show that we understand that's the consequence of leaving the money in there for that extra time. Hopefully that makes sense.